What's up, you guys? Jason here from RPM, and today and for the next 2 days we're going to be out here at Rabbit Ears Pass. It's early in the season, they just got a ton of snow. And we're going to be testing out the new RPM side-by-side snowmobile series mufflers. So we do a lot of snow stuff, and yeah, so here's our titanium muffler. The stainless muffler looks just like this. We have it obviously in titanium and stainless. They're available on RPM SxS.com. And yeah, we know you guys want to hear clips of how they sound, so that's what this video is going to be all about. We're going to cut straight to it. Alright, now let's hop on the stock sled. You can hear a stock muffler. That way you've got something to compare to. This is on kind of hard pack. We really don't have a whole lot of snow muffling it, so this is what it's going to sound like on just bare cement. Obviously it's quieter when you're in the deeper snow. Alright, so that's those sound clips. And throughout this video, we're going to have a bunch of different sound clips of the stock sled ripping in the snow, and of course the RPM muffler ripping in the snow. So, enjoy.